Let's create a project charter for our new house one list or project. We'll do it with AI, creating the project charter. I'll go to docs and there's a plus sign. I'll click on to create a new document. We'll give a title to this project charter for new house one. And we'll say instead of starting to write ourselves, we'll say write with AI and we'll say create a project charter for a new colonial house with 3 bedrooms and let's say 3 bathrooms. Include the project description and I'll say exactly. I don't think I need to use the word exactly, but just making sure that it will give me exactly 3 major deliverables, just so that I can show all the deliverables in one screen. You can go with 10 or you can let AI decide for you. I'll say 3 major deliverables with, again, I'll say 3 tasks within each major deliverable, that is, but I want to be explicit just to be safe. And in other words, I want it to give me exactly what I'm asking for. So within each major deliverable, I want 3 tasks. You can add other things too, maybe a space for the project sponsor signature, etc. But I'll click on OK for now. And once it gives me, we'll say insert all this so that we can see better. So project description, major deliverable 1, 2, and 3. And then you have the tasks within each. Now, if you want to improve, you can also ask, by the way, you can say give numbers to these. It's saying, can I do anything else for you? Please, any changes. And you can say, add the numbers to it. Let's say major deliverable is 1, and this is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. But I'll show you something else here. Let's say we want to improve this. And you can click on improve to let it decide how to improve, but I want to be specific about how to improve. So I'll click on the edit button here, and that is your AI symbol as well. So edit with AI, and I can say make it longer, and it's increase the size. If I want to replace, let's replace the current one with the new one. So replace with this answer, and I can do more to it. I can say, maybe translate. Let's say translate to French. And I can replace it. Right now I won't, so I'll click here. And it was already selected. I didn't have to select again, but I had deselected it by accident, so I'm selecting it again. So I'll click on edit. Let's say I want to make it more exciting, which is not an option here. So I'll say make it more exciting. And you can do this for the deliverables and the tasks as well. Let's see what it does. And as you can see, it's using fancy words now, luxurious and dynamic needs of a modern family and masterpiece of classic architecture, whatnot. So let's go with that. I'll say replace with this answer. And we have our charter document. We'll place it now in our space within which our new house one list is. The space is construction projects. So we'll change its location. So right here, so add location and list folder or space, it says. I'll select construction projects. And that's where it's housed. So easy to refer to it whenever we use AI. And if we are within construction project space, we don't have to say, go to this project charter document within construction project space. If you're already in that space, it will know where to look, as we will see later on. Right now we have changed it. We can even, if you want to, let's say, change that location. I cannot click on the location here, it doesn't let me. I can open it, and then there are these three dots here. You can click on those, and you can say move to some other location, or you can say remove current location and change it in the previous view that we saw where we specified the location. So I'll cross this out now. So that's how you can create a project charter with AI.